Hello everyone, welcome back. The NIMO Mini PC is a very different kind of desktop. Instead of being designed mainly for everyday browsing or basic office work, this compact machine is aimed at users who want serious processing power in a small form factor, particularly developers and people working with local AI and large language models. This configuration comes with an AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, 128GB of LPDDR5X memory running at 8000 MHz, integrated Radeon 806 OS graphics with 40 compute units, a 4TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, Linux OS, dual USB 4 ports, and dual LAN connectivity. Starting with the size, the compact design is one of the most interesting parts of this system. A traditional high-performance workstation can take up a considerable amount of desk space, while a mini PC like this is designed to provide substantial computing capability in a much smaller footprint. The Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 is the centerpiece of the system. This is a high-performance processor from AMD's newer AI-focused platform, making the machine particularly interesting for developers who want to experiment with AI workloads locally rather than relying entirely on cloud services. The 128GB of LPDDR5X memory is arguably one of the biggest selling points of this configuration. That's a huge amount of unified system memory for such a compact computer. For developers working with large models, virtual machines, development environments, datasets, or multiple applications at once, having this much memory can be extremely useful. The memory speed is also listed at 8000 MHz, providing substantial memory bandwidth for workloads that can take advantage of it. Graphics are handled by the Radeon 806 OS with 40 compute units. Because the graphics processor shares system memory, the large 128GB memory capacity becomes particularly interesting for workloads that can benefit from additional GPU-accessible memory. That doesn't automatically mean every AI model will run perfectly or at maximum speed. Actual local LLM performance depends on the model, quantization, software stack, memory requirements, and how well the workload is optimized. But the combination of a powerful processor, substantial memory, and a capable integrated GPU makes this type of system worth considering for local experimentation. Storage is another major advantage. The 4TB PCIe 4.0 SSD provides plenty of space for operating system files, development environments, datasets, applications, and local AI models. For anyone who works with large files, having several terabytes available internally can be much more convenient than constantly moving data between drives. Connectivity is also well covered with dual USB 4 ports and dual LAN connections. USB 4 can provide high-speed connectivity for compatible peripherals and external storage, while 2 network ports can be useful in development, server, networking, or specialized workstation setups. The Linux operating system also makes sense for the target audience. Developers often appreciate the flexibility of Linux for programming, containers, development tools, AI frameworks, and customized environments. Overall, the NIMO Mini PC is clearly aimed at a more specialized audience than a typical mini desktop. The combination of the Ryzen AI Max Plus 395, 128GB LPDDR5X memory, Radeon 806 OS graphics, and 4TB SSD gives it a compelling hardware foundation for development and experimentation. Its biggest appeal is the amount of computing and memory capability packed into a compact desktop. If you're interested in local LLM development, AI experimentation, software development, or other memory-intensive workloads, this configuration deserves a closer look. Before buying, it's worth checking compatibility with your preferred Linux distribution, AI frameworks, model sizes, drivers, and the exact performance you need, because real-world AI performance can vary significantly depending on the software and workload. Thanks for watching.